Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And here you can scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called reset and select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the QR code on the screen. This means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.